Hi, now we're going to talk about what multiplying fractions really mean. Multiplying fractions is similar in thought to division. So I'm going to demonstrate this by using the box method, which we use a lot to add and subtract fractions. But here we only need one box. So we're going to find what 3/4 of 1/3 is. So we only draw one box when multiplying fractions. And our second step is that you're going to split the box vertically into thirds. So here I have 1, 2, 3 pieces, and you're shading it 1 to make our 1/3. Your third step is to split the box horizontally, means left to right, into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. And shade in 3 of those to make our 3/4. So we've divided our box into thirds and into fourths. Modeled both our fractions in this one box. Now you are going to find your answer. So your numerator is the number of boxes with both colors overlapping. So here we have black and red overlapping. There's 1, 2, 3. This box doesn't have red in it, so it's not going to count for our denominator. Or our numerator, sorry. So right now we have 3 as our numerator. To find our denominator, so we know 3 is our numerator. To find our denominator, we're going to count up how many boxes there are total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes total. That is our denominator. Now, our last step will be to simplify. 1 second. Now, when we simplify, we need to know what number goes into our numerator and into our denominator. Now, I could start with 2, 4. Oh, I don't have 2 doesn't go into 3 evenly. So 2 doesn't work. 2's don't work. Now let's try 3's. 3 goes into 3, so that works. 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, 3 goes into 12 as well. So I can divide my numerator and denominator by 3. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 12 1, 2, 3, 4 times. My final answer is 1/4. So 3/4 is 1/4 of 1/3. It's a little confusing, but we're finding part of a fraction, which you're just finding a smaller fraction. And we know that multiplying usually makes things bigger. When we're multiplying fractions, though, it actually makes them smaller. You're finding a smaller piece of your original amount. It's also very important to note that in word problems, you will see the word of, and if there's fractions, you're finding a fraction of another fraction. Of means multiplication. You're going to multiply. So if you have a word problem that says, what is 3/4 of 1/3, you're going to find 1/3 times 3/4. And you can either multiply across, or you can use this box method if you're not as comfortable with your multiplication strategies. I hope this helped. You can watch my other video on multiplying fractions just using multiplication facts if you'd like that strategy as well. Now that you have all the notes for the box method, practice using the box method to answer these problems on your own.